friends, good morning. Welcome to Being Inspired. You are in the best part of YouTube learning channel. By using this channel, I am just creating educational videos based on the subject maths. And in today's video, we are just going on NCERT. We are just solving NCERT maths textbook. We completed already first, second chapters. If you want to know about anything regarding that first, second chapters, just you can go through the videos. So I'm just sharing my knowledge in this way, friends. And in the previous videos, we just find out how to find the common factors for the given numbers and how to find the common multiples also we just find. And now in this video, we are just going to find out that whether the given numbers are co-primes or not. Okay. So before the video is going to start, I'm just going to ask you one thing. Please share, like, subscribe my channel. And students, please give me a comment in the comment section whether you understand and how you are feeling about this. Okay. Now, without getting late, I'm going to start my video now. Which of the following numbers are co-primes? Students, did you remember before starting of the chapter, I just explained what do you mean by co-primes? Very simple, students. If the common factor among the two numbers is 1, then you can say that the two numbers are co-primes. Okay? Means we are going to find out the common factors of all these numbers and which common factor for which numbers we are getting common factor as 1, that you are going to find out, and then you can say that those are co-primes. Okay. Now we'll start finding common factors of 18. So as you already know that, we'll start with one table. 1 18s are 18, 2 9s are 18, 3 6s are 18, and 4 table you will not get 18, 5 table also you will not get, and 6 table is already there. So that means the factors are completed. And now we'll find out the factors of 35. And 2 table you will not get 35 because last number is not an even number. And in 3 table, 3 plus 5 is 8, and 8 is not a multiple of 3. So in 3 table also you will not get 35. 4 table, 4 8s are 32, 4 9s are 36. So that is the reason in 4 table you will not get. And 5 table, 5 7s are 35. 6 table will not come because 2 and 3 is not there here. And 7 table is already there. So the factors of 18 are 1, 2, 3, 6, 9 and 18. And factors of 35 are 1, 5, 7 and 35. So here the common factor here is 1. So 18 and 35 are co-primes. Now in the same way, we'll find out for next one, that is 15 and 37. See friends, co-prime numbers are those numbers, no need that those numbers will be a prime number. It is not compulsory that the number should be prime number. Actually, that condition is there only for twin primes. As we already know that 37 is a prime number, so we will get only factors, that is 1 and 37. 1, 3, 5 and 15. And 37 are 1 and 37. Again here we got 1 is the common factor. So that is the reason 15 and 37 are also co-prime numbers. And now we move on to the next question, that is 30 and 415. 30. 1 30s are 30. In 2 table 2 15s are 30. 3 10s are 30. 4 table you will not get because 4 8s are 32, 4 7s are 28. 5 table 5 6 are 30. As we already get consecutive numbers, so we will stop working on it. 415. 1 into 415. 2 table will not come because the last digit is not an even number. 3 table 4 plus 1 5, 5 plus 5 10. So it is not divisible, or it is not a multiple of 3. So 3 also will not come. 4 table, the last two digits in 4 table 15 you will not get. So 4 table also will not come. And now we are left over with 5 table. 5 8s are 40, 5 3s are 15. 6 table you will not get, and 7 table we will check here like this. 7 5s are 35. 65. So in 7 table 65 will not come. 7 9s are 63 because we got a reminder here, it is not come in 7 table. 8 table 8 5s are 14, 8 table 15 will not come. 9 also will not come because 4 plus 1 5, 5 plus 5 10. 10 is not a multiple of 9. And 11 also you will not get. We will just find out by doing division. 4 1 5. 11 3s are 33. Again 11 minus 3 8, 85. So 11 table also will not come here. And 12 table, as 4 and 3 are not coming, so that is the reason 12 table also you will not get. Now we will see in 13 table. 13 3s are 39. 11 minus 9 is 2 and 25 will come. 13 table 25 is not there. 14 table, as 7 and 2 will not come, so 14 also will not come. And now we will see 15. 15 also will not come because 5 and 3 it has to come. 15 3s are 45, so 15 2s are 30. 115. 15 7s are 105, so that is the reason it is also not divisible. And 16 will not come. 17 also will not come. 1 second. So the factors of 415 is this much only. The factors of 30, 1 2 3 5 6 10 15 and 30. Now in the same way 415, 1 5 83, 415. So here the common factors are not only one more common factor is also there. So that is the reason these two are not co-primes. And move on to the next question like this. 17 and 68. Of course friends, 17 and 68 also will not be co-primes because 17 table you will get 68. Two 34s are 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8. 3 table will not come. 4 1s are 4, 4 17s are 28. 5 6 7 will not come. 8 8s are 64, 8 9s are 72. 9 also will not come. 10 not there, 11 not there, 12. Okay, so only these are the factors. When a number is multiple of the other number, so by that we can easily say that those numbers does not belongs to does not belongs to the co-primes, because 17 and 68 are multiples to each other, so that is the reason I am saying that they are not co-primes. In that way also you can check. Move on to the next question. 216 and 215. One 216s are 216. 2 table 2 1s are 2. 2 8s are 2 8s are 16. 3 7s are 21. 3 2s are 6. 4 5s are 20. 4 4s are 16. 6 3s are 18. 6 6s are 36. 8 2s are 16. 8 7s are 56. 9 2s are 18. 9 4s are 36. 11 table will not come. 12 table, 12 ones are 12. 96. So 12 eights are 96. Thirteen ones are 13. 13 table 86 not there. 14 table, so 7 not there, so 14 will not come. 15 also will not come. And that's it. These are the factors of 216. And now we'll find the factors of 215. 2 table will not come, 3 not come, 4 table also not come, 5 table, 5 4s are 20, 5 3s are 15, 6 will not come, 7 will not come, 8 also will not come, 9 not come, 10 not there, 11 not there, 12 also not there, 13 also not there, because 13 table 85 not there, 14 table also not there, 15 ones are 15, 15 table 65 not there, 16 also not there, 17 not there, so friends, only this much only. Now the common factors for 216 and 215 are 1 only you'll get, because they are consecutive numbers. Always the consecutive numbers will be your co-primes, because there will be no common factor for them. That is the reason those numbers will become your co-primes. So here you have only one common factor, that is nothing but your 1. So 216 and 215 are co-primes. And moving on to the last question, that is 81 and 16. 81, 1 table, 2 table will not come, 3 27s are 81, 4 will not come, 5 will not come, 6 will not come, 7 will not come, 8 will not come, 9 9s are 81, and 16, 1 16s are, 2 8s are, 4 4s are, 1 3 9 27 81. Now in the same way, 16, 1 2 4 8 16. So by this we can easily get only 1 is a common factor. So that is the reason 81 and 16 are also co-primes. So friends, in this video what we can get it, sorry. So which of the following are co-primes? That is 18 and 35 are co-primes, 15 and 37 are co-primes, and then 216 and 215 are co-primes, 81 and 16 are also co-primes. So A, B, E, F are co-primes. That's what the question they asked. Which of the following numbers are co-primes? I hope you all understand this video. Very simple friends. If the common factors is 1 you are going to get, then you can say that those numbers are co-primes. That is the only simple definition we can give for a co-prime number. Okay friends, thank you so much.